Do you really understand money? How well do you understand it? We wanted to believe money had to be complicated. And to have any level of wealth was a crime against humanity. That mindset kept us poor. Instead of doing the work we enjoyed, we traded our time for money. We stayed back at work until 10 p.m. so we could look cool and stand out among other employees. In order to change this, we need to understand money. The money you have is a direct reflection of the value you provide. This is a hard pill to swallow, but it's particularly true for entrepreneurs and people who can control their hourly rates. If you're not making as much money as you'd like to, you need to ask yourself how to provide more value. Money is a form of energy. We receive money in exchange for something that we do. In most cases, it's our job and the solutions we provide that determine our paychecks. Money won't solve your problems. One of the most common misconceptions is that having more money would magically solve financial problems. This couldn't be further from the truth. Did you ever hear the lottery winners who become millionaires overnight but soon lost more than they won? They may have had big breaks, but they didn't grasp the slight edge. Their winnings changed their bank account balance, but it didn't change their philosophy. The harsh truth is that your money problems aren't based on lack of money. They are based on what you think of money, how you spend your resources, and whether you actively take care of your finances or not. Contrary to common belief, having more money won't magically solve your problems. In the worst case, it evenly amplifies them. If money is your hope for independence, you'll never have it. Most people believe more money would have made them free. As a result, they spend most of their life chasing money and hoping that an increase in their bank statement would also lead to an increase in freedom. But the reality is different. It's true that money can lead to freedom if you use it wisely. The problem is that money alone won't lead to satisfaction and contentment because you can always lose it. Freedom starts in your head, not on your bank account. Most people hate thinking about money and feel uncomfortable checking their bank account. If you want to do yourself a favor, do the contrary and start improving your relationship with money. Talk about money. Take care of your wallet by keeping it clean and organized. Check your bank account regularly. Track your income and expenses. Get comfortable playing with the money instead of allowing it to control your life and choices. You might not be born rich, and you might never become a millionaire, but you can choose to feel comfortable with money so it doesn't negatively influence your life.